girls! Welcome back to another kagandang videos. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the brands na sabi ko, uy, nakita ko to sa SM. Sabi ko, ang ganda! Ang ganda, beshi, ng kanilang packaging. Na in love ako agad sa packaging and sabi ko, uy, itry natin. Ito siya. This one is Shawill lipsticks. Okay, this one is their lip tint collection. As you can see, ang ganda niyang pangregalo. Okay. So, ayan, New Year na New Year. Ayan, best! Ang ganda, diba? This one is just 399 sale sila sa Lazada. And, kung i-divide mo yon, this one is just 79 pesos each. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so sulit and so mura. Okay, 5 na siya. Pwede mo siya pamigay sa friends mo kung hindi ka pa nakapamigay nitong Pasko. Pwede mong ihabol ito. This one is just 79 pesos each. Iba-iba yung colors. Yun nga lang, nung nakita ko, parang sabi ko, parang pare-pareha siya ng shade. So, yeah, let's see and swatch it later. Okay, next, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is this one is Shawill Blossom Lipstick Collection. And this one talagang nagulat ako sa ganda talaga ng packaging nito. This one looks like parang, yeah, para siyang blossom, cherry blossom, parang Korean, na parang Japanese, ganun yung klase ng kanyang packaging in which parang sabi ko, ang nice talaga ng packaging niya ha. Ang nice talaga. Kasi, kapag nilabas ko siya, ayan girls, okay, naka-emboss itong mga flowers in which parang, uy, yamanin, and parang kakaiba. Okay, this one is also 399. So, sobrang mura na rin niya, okay. And 5 lipsticks for 399, 80 pesos each, girl. Why not? Okay, and this one is sobrang mura. Okay, this one, itong matte lip gloss collection ng Shawill. Okay, this one is 2.3 grams each, and this one is 319. So, mas mura siya dun sa iba. And this one is 6 items. So, I was like, oh my gosh, this is sobrang dami. Okay, isuswatch natin. Medyo matatagalan tayo kasi 3 box ito. Okay, medyo matatagalan tayo, pero why not? Let's try it out. Okay, unahin natin dito. Let's start with this lip tint collection. Okay, ang box pa lang niya, mukha ng mamahalin. So, ito yung tsura niya ng malapitan, girls. Okay, this one is in the shade 01 Soft Velvet Maple Leaves Red. Okay, so swatch ko muna lahat dito. Okay, swatch muna natin. Ooh, yeah, it is really velvet. So, girls, these are all the swatches nitong Shawill Lip Tint. As you can see, medyo pare-parehas lang yung itsura ng kanilang shades. Okay, so girls, let's try on this first. This is Soft Velvet Matte 01. Okay, ito na ata yung pinaka-murang velvet matte na itatry ko. Oh, wow. Yung amoy niya, amoy parang kape. Girls, ito nga pala yung itsura ng kanyang doe foot application. Flat lang siya and manipis. Okay. So, yeah, I was expecting na patusok yung kanyang applicator, but it's flat, but it's still working. Yeah, I like this shade 01. Let's move on with this 02. Okay. So, ito yung swatch niya, girls. Ito yung 02. Pinabawasan ko siya kasi this one is really intense, girls. This is really intense. As you can see, it's very, very pigmented. Yung smell niya parang amoy candy na kape, alam mo yan? So, you have to be careful kasi it is really intense. Oh my God, I like it. As you can see, one layer, pwede nyo na makover yung buong lips mo. So, I'll dip another layer. This is a nice shade. So, yeah. Sobrang tapang mo pag ito yung lipstick mo. Okay, let's move on. Next shade is this 03, okay? Ito yung 03. Okay, it looks nice. Uy, masaya ako ha. Nagugustuhan ko to. I'm beginning to love this. Okay, let's proceed with the shade 02. Okay, ang pangalan niya is Caramel Brown. And it is really a caramel brown. So, ayan. Last on this collection, this one in the shade 05. Okay, this one is Warm Brick Red. Okay, ito siya pag sinwatch, girls. Let's move on and proceed with other collections like this one, this Blossom Lipstick Collection. Okay. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, eto ang ganda talaga ng packaging, girls. This one in the shade 501. How Torn Color. Okay, so iswatch ko muna lahat. Girls, ito yung swatches nilang 5 and it is really, really pigmented. The color is really rich and medyo magkakalapit lang din ulit ang kanyang shades. Okay. Oh, wow, it's really rich and creamy, ha? Let's proceed with this 502 Coral Orange. So, ito yung swatch na, girls. By the way, girls, this one is a semi-matte finish, okay? Hindi siya matte na matte. It's just a typical lipstick, but semi-matte. Now, let's proceed with this 502 shade. Ito yung swatch na, girl. Girls, let's proceed with this ruby red. Ito yung swatch na, girl. Let's proceed with this 505. Okay. Ang napansin ko lang, girls, kung ano yung kulay niya dito sa velvet tints, yun din halos yung color niya dito. Pansin nyo? Okay, I'm just patting this because this is really, really rich. And parang mas maganda kung finger application tang lipstick na to. Or kung may lipstick applicator ka, as I think that one will work. But kung ito lang ang itadrag mo, sobra-sobra yung nalalagay or lumalabas. Gets? Pag walang pigment, nagre-reklamo. Pag sobrang pigmented, nagre-reklamo. Sana nandun lang sa gitna. Ilagay. Oh my God! Let's proceed with their matte lip gloss collection. Hindi ko alam kung bakit lip gloss ito pero matte. Bakit ganun yung description? Paki-explain. Ang dami kong nakikitang ganung lipstick na matte lip gloss lipstick. I don't know why do they call that like that. Kasi nakakalito. Lip gloss ba to o matte? Itsura niya, girls. Number 6. To, okay, parang the same lang din dun sa kanina kong sinwatch in which hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa lips. I'll be swatching na lang. Almost pare-parehas talaga yung color selection niya, girls. Iniba-iba lang. Diba? See? So, yeah, this one is parang yung caramel brick kanina. So, ito parang yung sinwatch na rin natin kanina to. Yung color selection niya parang pare-parehas lang talaga. This one is kinda light. Parang may na-swatch na rin akong ganito kanina. It's almost the same, but I'll try this. Okay, this one is kind of orange. Coral yung kanina. Yung coral orange. This one is it? Oh, this one is matte. Then, last na isa-swatch ko is this one. This one, parang meron na rin ito kanina, is this one is 01. Okay, so ito itsura ng 01. Okay, girls, let's proceed with this matte lip gloss lipstick collection nila. Okay, with this one, ito I'm wearing it right now. Ito yon. Okay, the shade number 1. Okay, as you can see, ang maganda nito is, this one is smudge proof and transfer proof, which I like. Very lightweight siya sa lips. Yun nga lang, as you can see, okay, nakikita na talaga or na-highlight niya or nagda-dry siya talaga sa lips ko, in which this matte lipstick is not really for me. But if you don't have a dry lips at hindi masyado nagda-dry yung lips mo, I think this one will work for you. But this one, not really my thing. Okay, yung color selection niya, maganda naman. Yun nga lang, almost same colors. Pag nilagay mo na siya sa lips mo, hindi mo na siya masyadong ma-distinguish kung nagpalit ka ba ng lipstick or nag-iba ba yung shade ng color ng lipstick mo. Kasi as you can see, sobrang pare-parehas lang siya. Okay, in which I am expecting something na may pink, may nude, may something red. Okay, merong mga ganong klase ng shade or medyo may pagka-violet color, pero this one, wala. So, definitely, is this sulit? Yes, I think this one is definitely sulit. This one is 319, but if your lips is drying and if you are very picky when it comes to lipstick, I don't think that I can suggest this. Because ako, I'm very much picky when it comes to lipstick. I want something dun sa lipstick ko that it is nourishing, kasi dry yung lips ko and I wanted something nourishing and hindi nagkakaroon ng bitak-bitak sa aking lips, which is yun yung hinahanap ko, and ayoko nun talagang ganyan. Nagda-dry na siya sa lips ko, in which nakikita na talaga or na-highlight na niya yung mga, ayan, anong tawag dito? Yung mga fine lines sa aking lips, in which I really, not really my thing. Okay, so this is my least favorites among the 3. Okay, and my ultimate favorite among the 3 is this lip collection nilang Velvet Lip Tint. This one is really, really nice. The color selection is almost the same as this one. So, kaya hindi ko na inisa-isa yung matte nila. Okay, so this one has a nice color selection din. Pero almost magkakadikit din siya. But this one is not drying sa lips. Ang bilis nitong i-glide sa lips and very rich and pigmented. Very lightweight din siya, in which I like. It reminds me of Vice Cosmetics na Velvet mousse liquid lipstick nila. It reminds me of that. Almost same yung kanilang formula, in which I like. Yun nga lang, yung color selection nito, medyo na-off ako kasi parang almost, yeah, it's the same. Parang pare-parehas yung colors. And sobrang lalapit ng colors. I was expecting na mayroong mga pink, ganyan, medyo nude, ganyan. Almost lahat ito nasa warm tones, in which pwede to sa morenang or sa maputi. Yung color selection naman niya, it's universal. Pwede siya sa maraming skin tone. Pero sa akin, this is not really my thing. Hindi ito yung mga bet kong colors. Okay, but this one is my favorite among the 3 collections. Okay, ang concern ko with this one, okay, with this one has the best packaging ever. This is my favorite when it comes to the packaging. I super duper love this packaging. Yung color, ang ganda. But sana, ang concern ko dito is very rich. Yung color niya, very pigmented to the point na ang hirap na niyang i-glide sa aking lips. Paulit-ulit ako, ilang beses ko kinurek ito. Dahil talagang, pag ginamit mo to, dinirect application mo siya sa iyong lips, medyo sobrang rich na niya na lumalagpas na siya dun sa line or sa borderline ng iyong lips, in which hindi siya nag-stay put, kumakalat siya or nagbe-bleed siya, in which hindi yun yung mga lipstick na bet ko. As I've told you earlier, medyo picky ako when it comes to lipstick because I really want a comfortable lips when it comes to lipsticks. Those are my concerns, but if you're gonna use a finger application with this one, so kung ganyan-ganyan lang, pat-pat lang, ang gagawin mo at hindi mo siya idedirektang application, pat-pat lang. And use your fingers for application. I think this one will work. But as I've told you earlier, I'm so picky when it comes to lipstick. I want a lipstick na talagang mag-work and hindi ako mahihirapan. Kasi I'm always on the go and I don't have time na para i-correct ko paulit-ulit yung lipstick. So, yeah, yun lang yung concern ko. And ako talaga gusto ko yung bold and rich lipstick na talaga mag-stay in place and I don't like that bleeding lipstick on my lips. But this one is okay if you want this kind of colors. Kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong color selection, then go ahead. This one is just 399 para sa 5. This one is 80 pesos. I think this one is sulit. If maghahati-hati kayo ng mga friends mo or your family members, if you're gonna give it to them, then go ahead and go with this. But if you're gonna ask me, ang paborito ko talaga dito at sulit bilhin is this velvet lip tint nila. This one is definitely I'll go and get. But these two, I'll think twice or thrice before getting this two. But this one definitely, this one is a yes for me. By the way, girls, etong matte lipstick nila, this one is really smudge proof and transfer proof. Okay, I think this one is also kiss proof. Okay, so yun yung maganda dito sa matte nila. But this matte, yung ganito katindi, ganito kakapit, this one is not really for me. I'm looking for a nourishing kind of matte, and this one is really not for me. I need a makeup remover to remove this. Okay, ganun siya ka-intense, in which that is not just my cup of tea. But this one, the velvet lip tint, definitely I will recommend this one. Okay, so that's it, girls, for today's video, and I do hope you do enjoy this. If you do, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. I-click mo yung subscribe button and i-push mo ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga susunod pa natin kagandang videos. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all and see you on my next one. Bye!